Hello everybody, it's me again. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload worksheets on the seesaw platform, and this is how we start. So first thing, you have to have a iPad or a mobile device. So I'm gonna use this one. You upload, you use the App Store, then type seesaw. I have already this one on the iPad, so I'm not going to update it. I'm just going to look for it, but you should be able to hit download and use it. So once we open the app, you will see I'm a teacher, I'm a student. So we're gonna hit I'm a student. Here, this is the QR code we send home, so you should be able to use it, and we're gonna do it. Okay, all you gotta do is to use the camera, and it will automatically there you go. So it's processing, and this is how it should be on your device. So once you're here, I want you to hit add, use the camera, and take a picture of any worksheet you have at home. Let's see this one over here. There you go. So we have this one. This is just an example, okay? Nothing that I don't think this one was sent home. All the kids know this procedure, so we need to hit the microphone. There's gonna be a countdown, 3 seconds. Then click on the arrow and start talking about everything you see here in Spanish. This is for the kids, right? So the kids will have to say and explain what's in the worksheet. Then that will hit, then you will be able to see in one corner, the upper corner, a green button that is done. You hit it twice and check, and now you choose the name. So I'm gonna use Miss Jepp's name. Hit here again. Now these are the folders. I'm just going to pretend that was from reading journal, so I'm gonna tap there, and again the green button, and that's all you gotta do. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.